Welcome to today's Bible quiz on Leviticus priestly duties. Test your knowledge of God's instructions to his priests. Question 1. According to Leviticus, who were appointed to serve as priests before the Lord? A. The sons of Levi. B. The sons of Aaron. C. The sons of Moses. D. The sons of Jacob. Question 2. What was the role of priests regarding sacrifices? A. To eat all the sacrifices. B. To offer sacrifices on behalf of the people. C. To sell sacrifices in the market. D. To only watch the offerings. Question 3. What special garment did priests wear when serving? A. Linen ephod. B. Woolen tunic. C. Golden crown. D. Silk robe. Question 4. Before serving, how did priests prepare themselves? A. They fasted for 7 days. B. They washed with water. C. They shaved their heads. D. They recited psalms. Question 5. What kind of fire were the priests commanded to use on the altar? A. Any fire they could find. B. Fire from the holy place. C. Fire kindled by their own hands. D. Holy fire from the Lord. Question 6. Who offered unauthorized fire before the Lord and died? A. Hophni and Phinehas. B. Nadab and Abihu. C. Cain and Abel. D. Korah and Dathan. Question 7. Which animals were priests forbidden to eat? A. Lambs. B. Clean birds. C. Unclean animals. D. Oxen. Question 8. How long did Aaron and his sons remain at the entrance of the tent of meeting during their ordination? A. 3 days. B. 7 days. C. 14 days. D. 40 days. Question 9. What were priests commanded not to drink when entering the tent of meeting? A. Milk. B. Water. C. Wine or strong drink. D. Honey. Question 10. What was one main duty of priests according to Leviticus 10:10? A. To teach music. B. To distinguish between holy and common, clean and unclean. C. To rule over the tribes. D. To build altars. Answer reveal section. Answer 1. The sons of Aaron. God appointed Aaron's sons to be priests. Leviticus 8:1-2. Answer 2. To offer sacrifices on behalf of the people. Leviticus 1:5-9. Answer 3. Linen ephod. Priests wore holy garments. Leviticus 8:7. Answer 4. They washed with water. Symbol of purification. Leviticus 8:6. Answer 5. Holy fire from the Lord. Leviticus 9:24. Answer 6. Nadab and Abihu. They offered unauthorized fire. Leviticus 10:1-2. Answer 7. Unclean animals. Leviticus 11:1-8. Answer 8. 7 days. Ordination lasted 7 days. Leviticus 8:33-35. Answer 9. Wine or strong drink. Priests were prohibited. Leviticus 10:9. Answer 10. To distinguish between holy and common. Leviticus 10:10-11. Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more Bible quizzes and faith-building videos. Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more Bible quizzes and faith-building videos.